Yeah, I'm going to the bank now. I'm gonna see if I can get some loan. I'm looking at some houses to buy and renovate. The interest rates is so low now, so there's no real need not to go to the bank. It's just better to play with the bank's money instead of my own, and I can do more stuff instead. The landlord of my mother's apartment, he works at the bank, so I contacted him to ask him if they do loan to people who is not resident here in Mallorca, because I'm not resident yet. I'm gonna look at a house now on Tuesday. It costs 1.9 million euros. With the tax, it's gonna be 2.1, more or less. Then I'm looking to renovate it, maybe for 400,000 euros. Then we're up to 2.5. And that, I mean, it's better to, if the bank can give me 50% of that, I can do 2 houses instead of 1. Yeah, so it's 2.5, and I'm expecting to get at least 3 million for it, which is a nice 600,000, and hopefully that is done in less than a year. And my goal is to do 3 houses. That's my first goal. Do 3 houses per year. And if I do that, then I do between 400 or 500 per house. Maybe a little less sometime, maybe a little more sometime, depending on the house. It's actually gonna be decent money. 3 houses times 400 or 500 is 1.2 to 1.5 million profits, and then some tax on that. But yeah, that's good business. I don't have to do a lot. I don't have to work. It's the time spent and the money earned is really good. The ratio between that is really good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. There's never any parking places in the city, so parking garage, it's a safe bet. Okay, I sit here now at Cappuccino, and gonna do some work before I meet the bank. Need to prepare some documents. They always want to see the finances, my bank accounts, my belongings, etc., etc. And I'm also going to show them the house that I'm looking now to invest in. Here's the house. Looks really terrible, but it has a nice view and a good location, so it can be a really good investment. The price is 1.9 million euros. Houses in the area is similar house to this renovated. It's cost maybe 3.5 to 4.5 million euro. See the view again. Actually, down here is Puerto Portals, and up here is this is Costa de Blanes area, and up here is the house. So we'll see how that goes. It's pretty nice. I really love the way I'm able to just sit and work from wherever I want, wherever I want in the world, and it's amazing. Really blessed. Yeah. Thank you. Coke Zero with some lime and ice. Yeah, I just came out from a meeting with 2 banks. Julio connected me. He just hooked me up to first Abanca. So we went there. They had really good conditions. It's like 1% interest, 0.9 actually interest, and they could loan me depending on the structure. If I loan the money as an individual or through a company, I could get different deals, but around 50% they want to loan me. So instead of me paying 1.9 million euros to buy the house, I pay 950 and they pay 950, and there's no fees, there's no other fees, no fees to set up the loan, no fees to cancel the loan when I sell the property, and so it's really a no-brainer. I can then take my 950 that I keep in my bank account, because the bank is paying for those 950, and I can put them in some stocks or some funds or some, with really safe and low return on investment, like 5-10%, or go a little higher in risk and get 20%, and I get 100k or 200k return in 1 year. Really tight. Look, amazing, it opened automatically. Knew I paid it from my plate. This weather is nice now. Here's the two banks. I just went Sabadell and Abanca in the bottom floor. Now going for lunch with a friend of mine here in Mallorca, down here at the harbor. You're on YouTube now.
I'll do business.
This is my dirty friend Jan.
I will do business. Tell your YouTube friends I will do business. Robert, do you know Robert? Robert, yeah, you listen, Robert. Do you know Robert? There are some weird stories about Robert.
No. Okay, let's cut. Hey buddy. Just picked up my son from school. The weather is super nice. We're now going to buy some candy in the Swedish store to have some nice Friday, family Friday. Say some. Oh, where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? There is a hole. It's a hole in the mouth. To the Swedish candy store. Ja.
En sista.
Ja, vad ska du göra? Gå in i affären där.
Okej.
Nej, här. Excellent Swedish supplies.
Okay.
Now it should be cheap.
Get rid of that video. No, but we can keep doing this.
There's a lot of chips in there. Home sweet home. Hello, wifey. Hey, Dominic. How are you? Hey, wifey. Oh. And there we have the angry bigger brother. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? Tell me. Wow! Oh, he's not angry anymore. Nice. Where is... Has Jenny left? Damn it. This has been like a storm out here, and the sunbeds is really... They want to take a swim. So we have 2 out of the 4 sunbeds. But I left this part like this, so it's like a sail. So just go down. See in the palm trees. It's finally some nice weather today. It's really nice. Love it. Take a swim in the pool. No. Here I live. Need to chop down some of the bushes here because they're blocking the view. Which is this valley over here is very nice, especially in the evenings when the sun is down and all the lights in the houses are on. Are you happy now? Oh, you wanna come out?
I'm gonna crash.
while eating. There's Palma. Palma de Mallorca. I'm gonna go inside and take off my clothes now.
Okay.
Because this is not the clothes that I like to wear. Mommy is playing with Dominic. Yeah, but that's more or less my day today. We'll see if I do some more vlogging like this, but I think it's pretty fun to do, and I think it could be interesting for you guys to see that I'm not only trading, doing other stuff as well, taking care of this awesome guy here, driving and picking up from school. Vänta! Ja, för fan vad kan... Helt annat. Alltså satan! This must be 12 degrees.
No, it's like 20.
No, it's 9 degrees, 40 degrees in the
Nicholas,
morning.
is it 20? Do you think?
No, I think it's 10 degrees.
Yeah. Daddy, you are not a Viking.
No, I'm not.
Daddy, get on run fast.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Oh, I think you have to go down. Goodbye, Daddy.
I can't swim. Nicholas, jump in and help me.
No,
Help me, Daddy.
I'm too scared.
It's not that cold.
Now we can breathe. Fuck it. Shit. Oh, it's filled with water, so it's hard to move.
Daddy needs to do some workout.
Mommy, I'm putting my feet on the water and it's super hot.
Yeah?
No, it's not. Maybe 12, maximum 12 degrees.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Oh, the fighting has begun. Stop it, Nicholas. Stop it. What are you doing? Stop it. Be nice to your brother.
It's my choice.
No, he just want to play with you. Stop it, please. Stop it. Stop it, Nicholas.
No.
Akta inte ramla ner. There you go. Up! Kramas istället, det är bättre. Han kan ge han en bil. Här, du kan få ha den. Här, Dominic. Så nu är han glad. Är du ledsen nu?
Wait, I want to show you something.
Yeah, okay, show me. Yeah. Look at this. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. No, I can't.
Say chocolate.
With chocolate.
Yeah. Yummy.
Trades. My other workstation. And where I do some YouTube videos. My brother's painting, or no, it's not called painting, it's called something else, but it's really cool.